imagine the rhythmic clack of vintage typewriter keys, each stroke imprinting your deepest desires onto the unfolding page of your life. Let's harness this nostalgic magic to craft powerful affirmations for love, health, abundance, and joy. Picture yourself typing, "I am worthy of boundless love, and I open my heart to receive it fully with every breath." Each key pressed is a deliberate step toward vibrant health and radiant energy that flows through me effortlessly. My creative spirit moves freely, manifesting abundance in every area of my life. I am a magnet for opportunities, and prosperity finds me in the most unexpected and delightful ways. Joy bubbles up within me, echoing the satisfying ding of a completed line, filling my soul with lightness. I celebrate each small victory, knowing they build a magnificent masterpiece of a life well lived. My words hold immense power. With every affirmation I type, I rewrite my story with intention and grace. I am deeply grateful for the love that surrounds me, the health that sustains me, the abundance that supports me, and the joy that uplifts me daily. Today, I choose to believe in the magic of my own creation, embracing each keystroke as a sacred act of transformation, one moment at a time.